So now we'll be discussing the questions on simplification of sorts. Okay, let's talk about question simplification of sorts. So the first one is root 8 plus root 18. See, I told you we have to think like root 8 is how much? 4 into 2, right? So 4 comes outside, like 4 किसका स्क्वायर है? 2. So that should be 2 root 2. ठीक है, पहले सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा फिर ऐड करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज यू रिमेंबर एडिशन ओनली नीड्स लाइक सर्ट्स, राइट? देन 18 इज रूट 9 इंटू 2. 9 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3. दैट कम्स आउटसाइड एज अ होल नंबर एंड दिस. सो अब ये दोनों हमारे पास लाइक टर्म्स हो गए हैं, करेक्ट? सो 2 + 3 इज 5 एंड सेम रहेगा द सर्ड विच इज रूट 2. यू कैन फॉलो द मेथड 2 फॉर डिसाइडिंग कि ये किसका स्क्वायर है. सो रूट 50 plus root 8. This is 25 into 2. This is 4 into 2. Correct? 25 किसका स्क्वायर है? 5. So 5 root 2. 4 किसका स्क्वायर है? 2. So 2 root 2. Then add 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 root 2 is the answer. Super easy. Root 75 plus root 27. So 75 can be written as 25 into 3. 9 into 3. ओके, सो 25 किसका स्क्वायर है? 5. 5 रूट 3. 9 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3. सो 3 रूट 3. डू वी हैव लाइक टर्म्स? यस. एड 5 + 3 विच इज 8. सो वी हैव द आंसर एज 8 रूट 3. 200. कैन यू थिंक 200 के लिए व्हाट वी नीड टू डू? वी कैन राइट 100. 100 किसका स्क्वायर होता है? 10. सो 100 इंटू 2, 16 इंटू 2. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, अगर आपसे ये नहीं सोचा जा रहा है दैट 32 is 16 into 2, just do prime factorization. I am telling you both the methods जिसमें आपको कोई rote learning नहीं करनी है. You see, we have 2 pairs of 2. So 2 into 2 is how much? 4. And क्या बचा inside? 2. So you can write this as 4 root 2. Again the answer for here will be 4 root 2 only. 16 किसका square है? 4. So 4 root 2. 2 remains inside. You can follow any method please. These are very easy questions. I don't want कि आपके मार्क्स कट हों. 100 10 होता है. 10 root 2 minus 4 root 2 is 6 root 2. Okay. So root 8 plus root 2 plus root 72. Will we change 2? We can't. क्योंकि 2 into 1 ही 2 होता है. हम इन दोनों को, this one and this one, will make root 2. Let's see. This is 4 into 2. So this will be 2 root 2. ठीक है. This is root 2 only. This is 36 into 2, which is 6 root 2. So we have 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 6 root 2, which is 2 plus 6, 8, and 8 plus 1, 9. So we have 9 root 2 as the answer for this. This was an important one because it has 3 terms. Then F 300 minus 48. So this is 100 into 3. This is, you'll have to think now. 48 is 6 into 8 as well. What else? We have to think of the numbers which will give you 48. Okay, but it's not necessary कि सारे whole numbers हों. अब आप सोचो 46, 16 into 3 you can write. Correct? This is 48. But again PF भी कर सकते हो. 100 किसका स्क्वायर है? 10. So 10 root 3. 16 किसका स्क्वायर है? 4. So 4 root 3. So we have 6 root 3 as the answer. Let's check the next one. G is 1000 plus root 90. Okay, so 1000 is 100 into 10. 90 is 9 into 10. 100 किसका स्क्वायर है? 10. So 10 root 10. 9 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3. So we have 10 plus 3, 13 root 10. Then the last one, root 28 plus root 63. 28 is 4 into 7. 63 is 9 into 7. 4 किसका स्क्वायर है? 2. 9 किसका स्क्वायर है? 3. So we have 3 plus 2 as 5 root 7. So this was the assignment. Okay. Now if we see question number, other one, they have given just a problem based question. We need to decide what to do. 5 root 2 is the length and root 2 is the breadth. They are saying find the perimeter. Do you remember the perimeter formula? It is length plus breadth multiplied by 2. Please write it. So we have 5 root 2 plus root 2 multiplied by 2. So I told you we should have like terms. We have like terms. 5 root 2 plus root 2 is 6 root 2 multiplied by 2. How do we do this? It's very easy. We multiply the whole numbers differently. 6 into 2 is 12. So 12 root 2. Okay. Centimeters. B part, find the area. Area formula is length into breadth. So 5 root 2 into 2. Root 2, sorry. So do we have any whole number with 5? No. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 always. So it's not 52, sorry. It's 5 into 2, 10. Okay. See, root 4 into root 4 is 4. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. That's why here root 2 into root 2 was 2. So 5 into 2 is 10. Again, 10 square centimeters. This was all about the surds.